The Supreme Court yesterday directed the Union government to furnish data on the inflow of illegal immigrants to Assam and Northeastern states after March 25, 1971. The court also directed the center to inform the steps taken by the government at an administrative level to deal with illegal immigration into the Northeastern states, particularly Assam. Details have to be furnished in regard to extent of border fencing and estimated timelines to complete border fencing. A constitution bench comprising Chief Justice of India D.Y. Chandrachud, Justice Suryakant, M.M. Sundaresh, J.B. Pardiwala and Manoj Mishra passed the direction while hearing a batch of petition challenging Section 6A of the Citizenship Act 1955, which was inserted to give effect to the Assam Accord of 1985. During the hearing, the court said that regardless of its position on Section 6A, it proposed to deal with the issue of illegal immigration seriously.